Hey guys, today instead of making a recipe, I'm going to show you some ideas and suggestions of what to prepare for your family in case you're unable to cook for the next few weeks. It could be you might be out of town, or you might have an illness, or you might have a surgery. So in those cases, if you prepare something, your family can have some home cooked food at least once or twice in a week. So let me give you an idea of what I have prepared. Here I have three kinds of kara podi. One is the dal podi, one is nalakaram, and one is peanut kara podi. That's because they may not be able to make chutneys, so the three different varieties of kara podis will be helpful. And I also have a jar of puliogare paste. Your family can just make plain rice and mix this in. Here I have prepared some dosas and I'm going to freeze it. I have layers of wax paper in between every two dosas. That way they won't stick. Here I have rava that has been roasted along with the spices. So they can use this to make upma or rava idli. Here I have prepared some curry masalas like matar paneer, stew masala which can be used for both veg and non-veg, and I have some pulao masala. This too can be used for non-veg pulao or even vegetarian pulao. I also have some canned chickpeas and some canned cooked whole new potatoes. These are actually baby potatoes. That way the family doesn't need to cook the potatoes and peel them. And I also have stocked some cooked shrimp. So no one needs to clean and devein or shell the shrimp. They can just thaw it and add it to the curry. Also, make sure to label everything clearly. And write clear instructions on an index card or something like that, so your family will know how to proceed with the recipe. All these curry sauces will be frozen, guys, so they'll stay in the freezer for a few weeks without going bad. The puliogare paste can be refrigerated. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up and thanks for watching.